Video Marketing Profit Kit Review. Discover how to use video marketing to build a thriving online business. You too can quickly and affordably produce marketing videos that get results. Are you looking for a tried and proven way to connect with potential buyers quickly and easily? Are you tired of using blog text or articles to convert online traffic into cold hard cash in your bank account? Would you like to use a marketing medium that is able to pack so many messages in a relatively small space? If any of the questions apply to you, you need to use the power of video to get your marketing message across. Discover how to make a real connection with your audience. Pictures may be worth 1,000 words, but videos are worth thousands of pictures, and more. With video, you can pack a tremendous amount of verbal and non-verbal signals. With video, you can explain complicated or confusing topics using easy-to-understand graphics or even cartoons. With video, you are able to connect with your prospective buyers on one-to-one person-to-person basis. In other words, video is able to put a face to your brand and make your brand talk to the needs, fears, hopes, and aspirations of your prospective customers. With video, you will be able to persuade people who might otherwise be hard to convince. Sadly, too many marketers do video marketing wrong. They really do. Avoiding the mistakes others are making. They crank out hot videos that few people end up watching. Some manage to produce great-looking videos but end up placing them in the wrong places online, or they don't promote them the right way. Some video marketers fail not because they produce the wrong video. Their videos are actually awesome, but they end up committing one very common mistake that dooms their video's success. Don't make these mistakes.